A division bench of the Bombay High Court at Goa, comprising of Justice F.M. Rees and Justice Z.A. Haq on Monday, directed the Goa government, Goa State Infrastructure Development Corporation and Corporation of the City of Panjim to file their affidavits with regards to the concretization of Miramar-Donapaul Road, which is currently underway at a cost of over Rs 72 crores.
The directives from the court was issued following the hearing of a public interest litigation filed by Advocate Iris Rodrigues against the squandering of public funds by the Goa government for Miramar-Donapaul Road stretch project. The court has adjourned the hearing on the PIL to 7th of May. In his submission before the court, Advocate Iris Rodrigues had argued that there was no reason whatsoever to dig up the freshly laid and hot mixed road, thereby squandering a sum of 1.3 crore in the process, and to spend a further sum of Rs 72 crores in concretizing the road, which was a gross misuse of power and daylight robbery of public funds.
In my PIL pointed out to the court that the Miramar-Donapaul Road, which was hot mixed in mid-January this year at the whopping cost of 1.3 crores in less than 3 months, that same road, which was in an excellent condition, is now being dug to be concretized. I have also pointed out to the court that this work is being carried out without consulting the Corporation of City of Panjim. The corporators have not been consulted. The Commissioner has merely issued a NOC while the election code of conduct was on, has issued a NOC to the GSIDC. Now it so happens that the Commissioner of the City of Panjim, Mr. Sanjit Rodrigues, is also the Managing Director of the GSIDC. So what Sanjit has done, without consulting and taking into confidence the corporation body, he has himself given an NOC to himself. And the work has started. The work is totally illegal and it is a squandering of public funds. I have sought that this work be stopped, and more importantly, my prayer before the court is that this money illegally spent has to be recovered from the guilty officers, because officers cannot be squandering public funds.
Meanwhile, Santa Cruz MLA Atanasio Montserrat objected to the concretization of roads as he considered it a total waste of money.
I totally object to the road which is coming up in this thing. We were never taken into confidence because that comes in actually in Jennifer's constituency. Nor the Chief Minister, nor anyone from GSIDC has any time even inquired or asked for suggestions or even objections to this. But I have full total objection where the road is concerned, because I feel that it is just a wasteful of money. This money can be utilized actually where garbage is this thing. Which is more priority? The garbage is a priority or the roads are priority? The roads were good. I think those were the best roads in Goa.